What is happening? Good to see you, bro.
And you?
Nice to meet you.
And you, mate?
There you go. Wow, this is nice. This is the finished product.
Well, nearly.
Nearly. Well, it looks pretty much finished to me. Wow. What a coincidence though, eh?
I know, yeah. Crazy, man.
Crazy. So, and also that you both like got an Instagram page and kind of like, that's really crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Small world. I can't believe it. Yesterday he messaged me, he was like, oh, I saw you in the street. And I'm like, okay. He says, I'm a neighbour of Leon's. I was like, a neighbour is in, you live in Middlesbrough? Next door. Crazy. Wow, well show me around, but it's fantastic.
Coffee or?
Oh, good. I was saying to Daniel, what a crazy coincidence that I was literally next door yesterday and you joined the academy like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Really mad. But it's fabulous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's getting there now.
Have you got a kid at the moment, or is this your first?
First.
How many square rooms?
It's about 440 square metres.
440, so what's that in square feet? It's got the first like 4,000?
Yeah, it's got 4,000.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Literally.
Is it a double garage then?
Yeah, double garage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because again, Leon's gone for a single garage, isn't he?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, I think because we're the end plot, we got slightly more room with the garden on the side as well.
Yeah.
We could go wider, couldn't we?
They almost finished.
That's right.
It's basically finished.
That's just a downstairs toilet.
Yeah.
And then in here is the lounge.
Oh.
Which is not,
Which is not finished, but
Oh, wow.
yeah.
It is a show home, isn't it? You guys must be so happy.
Oh yeah, we are. Yeah.
You must be so happy.
Yeah. So that's why I really want to get into property now, because I'm basically away from home all the time.
Yeah.
So like last year, because of coronavirus, I spent 8 weeks in the UK.
Yeah.
The rest of the time was at work.
But don't forget though, you're already in property.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You know, you're a structural engineer.
Yeah.
You've built your own house, made £250,000 profit on the house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because then when you're trying to package and sell deals and stuff,
That's right.
rather than you thinking I'm just starting out, not starting out.
Yeah.
You just built a freaking house.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, so it's almost just like your story.
Playroom, but again, this is in progress as well. What's basically just there'll be like
Really cool.
playroom.
It's like the perfect size of house, I think.
Yeah, well, I think we were saying that much bigger.
Too big.
I mean, like the top floor, we're not going to use really.
Yeah.
every room's got a purpose, hasn't it? It's not like there's any room that's not really going to be used or...
Yeah.
Leon's gone a bit more modern, I think, hasn't he, with a bit more glass and steel.
Yes. Yeah, but a lot of steel.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's just his taste, isn't it?
That's right, yeah, that's
But
right.
this is very homely.
Yeah, I think so. So
Very
this is
homely.
well, the landing, and then this will be our master bedroom.
Look at this. My goodness. It's just such an open, spacious.
Yeah. This will be a master bedroom when we get to the bed.
So you can't be living here then without a bed.
Oh,
So
we're in the
we're in a
spare
spare room.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah, we're in a spare room.
Yeah, I was thinking, like, it looks like absolute so far immaculate.
That's right.
Okay. Oh
Right,
wow.
and then, well, these are in progress. That's the wardrobe, and then this will be the bathroom, the main bathroom. And we need to put a vanity and sink in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nice. Such a big ensuite.
Yeah.
Whose idea was it then to do the Instagram page? Was it? That's been going really well. You've got like 27,000 followers just solely on the self-build page. I was like, wow. When you messaged me yesterday, I saw on the I was like, looking through. I was like, I need to get in that. You know, as I'm in the area and you're on the academy.
Yeah.
I thought I can't go home because Middlesbrough was so far from London.
Yeah, that's right.
I thought I'm gonna have to swing by for a coffee. Are you really excited to be in? I know you've already moved in, but like moved in.
Yeah, yeah. It's a bit, I think it reduces a lot of stress, doesn't it, when you want to build, when you actually move in.
Now it's proper.
And there was a lot of deliveries and people working who could.
Yeah. So and this is where we're living now.
Okay.
And then there's this
Fabulous.
suite in there.
You guys are so neat and tidy, considering I just came around pretty much uninvited, unexpected.
Well, it was a bit hectic last night, cleaning up.
Oh, thank you. Didn't have to, guys, but it'll be nice for the cameras.
And then this is a nursery.
Do you know if it's going to be a boy or a girl?
This is still in progress, but we want it to be a cinema room.
Okay.
It's like a 6-bedroom, but we don't really need it. So. Yeah.
So this is 6 beds, isn't it?
Yeah. So there's a floor upstairs as well.
Yeah. Yeah, cinema room would be great, wouldn't it?
That's right. Yeah. So a whole big screen on it.
Oh yeah, like here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
While we're waiting.
Yeah. So this one is totally unfinished.
Okay.
So basically, that's just where we got all the cables, you know, the TV and things, so there's nothing interesting in there. And then this is, I think we're going to have this as just as a sitting area.
Okay.
And just,
In case you feel like hanging out in a different room.
it was going to be a bedroom initially.
Yeah.
And then we'll just leave it to for the lights really.
Yeah.
It's the best view.
And
What?
then these are just 2 bedrooms, basically.
Okay.
So there's bedroom.
I'm just remembering back. That's why Holly says every room has got its exact purpose.
Apart from this one.
We need it to be there.
Apart from this one.
But any bigger room, you get lost, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we said. Really, this won't get used. We did this for value.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
top floor.
Yeah.
And it's quite nice if we ever did sell the house and if people had like teenagers or something, it's like a floor that they could have
Yeah.
themselves, you know, with like a sitting area and then bedrooms
Yeah.
out the way.
Do you think you'll live here? Is this like a potential forever home, or what do you reckon?
We want to do a new one now.
Do you?
I know we will live here. I think we'll live here for a 4 year at least, won't we? And then we want to do another one.
I think when you know, sometimes when people build their own houses, you know, they'll buy their home for 250, they'll spend 400 on it, but then the end value is 650.
That's right.
And it's like, well,
There's no point really.
no, there's no point.
This is just a mirror copy basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is basically, and it's basically just carpet.
Yeah, we just need carpet really. Just need carpet. But yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice.